Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious lentejas charras. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. So I like to soak my lentils to speed up the cooking process. Here I already have them set with 7 cups of water, a piece of onion, 2 garlic cloves, and 2 bay leaves. Now that they're ready, I'm just going to set it on medium heat, bring them to a boil, and allow them to cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our lentils should be nice and soft. Of course, make sure that you check them. And they are done. So now I'm just going to set it to the side, keep it on the lowest setting so we can cook the rest of our ingredients. So now I'm just going to grab my pan over medium-high heat and just allow it to heat up. Once it gets nice and hot, we're going to add our bacon. Now we're just going to allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, my bacon is nice and crispy, so remove it from the oil. Now add the potatoes. Just going to season with a little salt and cook them for about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, remove as much of the bacon grease as possible. Now we're going to add the salchichas. Cook them for a couple minutes. After 2 minutes, we're just going to move everything to the side so we can add the chorizo. Just begin to break it down and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the onion, tomato, and chile serrano or jalapeño. Mix it in and allow it to cook for the 2 to 3 minutes or until the chorizo is fully cooked. Okay, so once our chorizo is cooked, our mixture is done. So now we can mix it in with our lentils. And here for our lentils, we're going to remove the bay leaves, onion, and garlic cloves. Now add in the mixture. Now we're just going to add our spices. Mix it in. I'm going to add my cilantro and bring it to a simmer. And you can add the bacon here, but I personally don't like my bacon to get it all soggy, so I like to add it last. Once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, they're perfect, so now we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I like to add a little bit of lime juice. And here I also like to add some chicharron, but of course, this is all optional. And along with that, my bacon. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. All I'm missing is the corn tortillas, but let me tell you, I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so delicious, so rich, so comforting. I promise you, you're going to love them. So I am so ready. And of course, if you don't like something, you can always just not add it. But this right here, it's honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The combination of the flavors, everything is just perfect. This is honestly my favorite way to enjoy my lentejitas. They're so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make super easy and delicious lentejas charras. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.